Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me already, my name's Haley and we do all things makeup on this channel. Today, I decided that we're gonna do a get ready with me and we're just gonna chit chat because I got a lot of stuff coming up on my plate and I figured we can talk about it. Plus, there's a lot of drama going on TikTok and we should talk about it. I got my new driver's license, if anybody's watched on TikTok. I went and I will be 25 in February on the 19th. I'm a Pisces / Aquarius cusp baby. So I don't know exactly what that means. I've always like represented more with a Pisces than I have an Aquarius. But somebody told me while I was in beauty school that I was on a cusp and that means something a little bit different and that you have traits of both. I'm not really into that kind of stuff, but it's neat. So the more you know, right? I have like less than 20 some days, I don't know, at this point until we go to Disney World, and I've gotten like fuel rods. I got my first set of ears. I'm like, what else? What else do I need? Someone please let me know what I need to take to Disney World. So that way I don't spend a ton of money buying them there. I thought about getting ponchos, but I'm not sure if Florida will be, I mean, it's Florida, it's probably gonna be raining, but my brother just got his Disney World ticket, so it is confirmed he is going with us, and I'm so freaking excited. Me and my brother never went to Disney World as a kid, so this will be so exciting that I get to take my younger brother with me. Of course my boyfriend is going too. I've never been like a huge Disney World fan either. No, I shouldn't say Disney World fan. I think every kid wants to go to Disney World. I've never been a huge Disney like princess fan. That's not like, I even talked to my dad the other day and I was like, you never took us to Disney World as a kid. He's like, you guys didn't want to go to Disney World as a kid. You guys weren't like interested in it. And I was like, you know, touche, because I was more like a Pixar and a Nickelodeon kid. I was the Disney Channel kid, but I wasn't like the animation part of Disney. I wasn't a Disney princess fan, which I feel like if you go to Disney World, that's like the biggest thing. Plus, I don't think my parents really cared for like Disney. My mom definitely wasn't a Disney mom, that's for sure. I got my e.l.f. putty blush in an advent calendar this year, and I seriously am so happy with it. Obsessed. Obsessed. If I'm delusionally going off the rail too, this is how I am in real life. I cannot hold a conversation. It literally jumps subjects all the time. I don't know if you guys knew this, but like I do like stutter really bad and trip over my words. I don't know why. My brain just processes things a lot faster than I can get out my mouth. And I also can't like, I always say I can't speak because sometimes words will come out and because it doesn't process, the words just don't, they don't function. I don't know. Funny enough, when I was in beauty school a couple years out, when I was in beauty school a couple years ago, I hated blush. Hated blush. Never wanted anything to do with blush. And now I love blush. I love blush. I don't know why I hated it so much. Maybe it's because of like 2016 makeup, even though I wasn't in beauty school in 2016. I graduated high school in 2016, but I didn't wear a ton of makeup in 2016. I started getting into makeup around then. And then I went to beauty school, which was in like 2009, 18, 19, something like that. I don't know. Life goes too fast anymore. Is that how conversations go in real life, guys? Except usually somebody's talking back to me. I have you guys though, it's okay. I don't know what makeup I'm going to do today. I think I'm going to do another Valentine's Day look or like an anti-Valentine's Day look. Maybe a Valentine's Day look. I kind of wanted to do a red one. I don't know. A couple looks I got today. So if you guys didn't know, I actually pre-film almost all of my videos because Sunday is the only day I have time to film. So I have to pump out multiple looks in one day. So that way I have videos for you guys all week. My favorite color is purple, and it's my birthstone because I'm a February baby, so my birthstone's amethyst. Ooh, my best fun fact is I was born at 11:58 at night, so I only have 2 minutes to celebrate my birthday. I'm not gonna lie, brows are like my least favorite thing to do in my routine. And I can't like concentrate and talk at the same time. So I'll probably be like a jump cut here because I cannot speak while I do this. Dude, my shade and light palette is so like crusty dusty and it's actually broke. I need to get a new one. I can't wait to go to Florida and hopefully get a tan because I am so pale. I've always been pale and it sucks because my brother can catch a wild tan. Wild tan. And I cannot. And I get so upset because I wish I could be that tan. Doesn't matter what time of year it is, he's always tan. I've been doing pink Valentine's Day looks. I feel like I want to do red, but I have an idea. And I'm honestly kind of terrified of fallout, so we're gonna powder even. So we're gonna powder even more under our eyes. Because I didn't think about what I was doing before I did my base. I feel like I look like Flashback Mary. Good lord. So I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I did cut out a lot of the video because I messed up this eye and I didn't like it and we're gonna redo it. And it is what it is. So I'm gonna start out with the Jaclyn Hill by Morphe palette. I'm gonna take the Livin My Best red and start placing that down. And we're gonna make a cut crease all the way up and around. I did want to talk with you guys a little bit about the Mikayla drama. I feel like I am staying out of it because I don't even like the L'Oreal brand in general. They test on animals. So I try to stay away from products. Of course, there are products I do have that I've bought and didn't realize they were cruelty free. So of course I'm not going to throw them away. But I try to stay away from those brands. So I will not be going out to run and buy it because no. There's hundreds and thousands of people that are making videos about this, and I'm only gonna say it in this short period of time. Like we're not gonna discuss it this whole video. That's not what this is about. Just let it go. Just let the poor girl live. Make her money. I don't think that they would either let her post that if they knew it was falsies, or maybe they did. I don't know. I don't know how this shit works. I just don't think it's right to continuously, some people are just running with it and I don't think it's right. Cool, you want to review the mascara by all means, but just let it be. In a few months no one's gonna remember it anyway. And then bringing Jeffree Star back so he can capitalize on it as well. He's making his bank. But yeah, that's my opinion. I'm not talking about it anymore. Please don't ask me about it. I really do not care. I'm living my own life. I got a lot of shit going on in my own life. I'm not gonna sit here and drag out on somebody else's drama. I didn't know. I don't know if I touched on this already. Sunday is my filming day. I work a full 9 to 5 job. 9 to 5, it's 8 to 5, but I get an hour lunch. That is my ice maker. So if you hear that, I sincerely apologize. Oh. Yeah, I work a 9 to 5, normal corporate job. And this is my passion. I do have my cosmetology license. I used to do hair and nails full time. And then I fell in some hard times and needed to get a full-time job. And so I did. And that full-time job eventually led me to a really good full-time job where I'm at now. And yeah. It is hard to film during the week. So I pre-film a lot of my videos. So it's hard for me to keep up on certain things going on. I can't really drop everything to film like some people do. That would be awesome if I could though, eventually one day. I would love to be a full-time content creator. I've wanted to do that for years. But we'll see. We're working towards doing makeup more. Makeup was one of the things I was mostly passionate about when I did cosmetology stuff, but really nails. I did nails actually full time towards the end. And then COVID tanked my business and I had to get a full-time job. Well, no, sorry, COVID tanked my business and I couldn't, my full-time job was paying for my nail business and it wasn't worth it anymore to stay open. And it was just easier for me to shut it down. I'm gonna do Glazed in the Glamlite Mikayla palette. I'm not gonna lie, I fucking love, I'm not gonna love, I love these shadows. Glamlite, love it. I've never bought from Glamlite before, and then I did buy Mikayla's palettes, and I bought the first one, and I was completely obsessed with it, and then I bought this one, and I'm completely obsessed with it. It's just chef's kiss, love it. So, brush, take a little bit of Plouise. I'm gonna go like this. Actually, I should take white paint. And we're just gonna go right underneath those clouds. Some more tiny clouds. And then I'm gonna peel off the tape. Oh heck yeah. That's clean. Oh yeah. Right underneath my lash line. I'm just gonna tight line my eyeballs. Then I'm gonna make myself a cute little inner corner, and then I'm gonna do my other eye. I'll come back and we'll put lashes and stuff on. Okay? Okay. It's like a love mountain. Woo! Okay, I'm gonna do my other eye. I'll be back. This is the final look. I put on Kiss's Lash Couture Naked Drama lashes in Taffeta, and then Morphe's lip liner in Sweetest Tea, as well as their lip creams, I believe, in Phatty. And yeah, this is the final look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see next from me. If you like me, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!